The vital importance of teaching our children life skills today is definitely number one. It's important for them to know where their food comes from, how their food is grown, and what they can do with their food. Nutritionally, that's a whole different story. So many kids suffer with lack of nutrition today. It's very sad to see. So at Nossorc Nature here, we teach kids about seeds, where the seeds come from. We teach them how to grow the food in the soils, and we teach them how to cook the food. We also do conservation, sustainability issues. It's kind of an enrichment center, so it's a whole array of things. It's important to give each child the opportunity to excel, and I believe through sustainability and a healthy lifestyle. My name is Crystal Crossan. I'm the CEO and founder of Nossorc Nature Enrichment Center, located in Anderson, California.